Welcome back to Nexa PNC Consultant, India's first paints and coating consultant who can offer you independent system recommendations and specifications for your project. Myself, Rajin Gangadhar. In previous episode, we discussed about the selection and application criteria for white cement and wall putty. Going further, we have to choose the best primer and emulsion for your wall. The selection of an emulsion is very crucial due to the character of your wall will be defined by the emulsion. There are n number of paint manufacturers in the market offering wide range of products in each and every segment. Like if you are considering about the primer, there will be interior primer, exterior primer, waterproof primer, penetrating primer, and the list goes on. All these products and all these nomenclatures are based on the characteristics and functional advantage of each and every product. In the same way, emulsions are also designed into 6 or 7 subcategories. So how to choose one product from each of these? That is the major task here. The selection of primer we will just hold for a while, and first we will discuss about the selection of an emulsion. How we will choose an emulsion which will be appropriate to our walls. If it is an independent villa or bungalow, we can choose from any of the range of products from X brand or Y brand. There will be economic emulsion, super economic emulsion, premium emulsion, luxury emulsion, super luxury emulsion, and the gloss level also will define the product like eggshell finish, matte finish, glossy finish, semi-gloss finish. All these things we can consider while choosing an emulsion. And the same way, if you are considering an education institution, we have to consider some more factors, because education institution will be crowded and there will be more possibility of dust accumulation and stains of hand. The children will put their hand into wall or they mark the wall with the pencil or pen. All these things has to be cleaned, and there should be more washability of the product, and stain resistance also recommended. While choosing the emulsion for an hospital industry, we have to more concerned about the antibacterial effect of that emulsion and stain resistance. We can recommend some beautiful products to hospital industry which we can even clean out the stains of blood drops as well. So based on the environment and project requirement, we have to choose the best emulsion for the wall. While choosing, we have to see what is the recommended undercoat for that emulsion. We strongly recommend a single brand of primer and emulsion to the wall due to the compatibility concern and the warranty concern. So if you are choosing a specific emulsion, for example, for an hospital industry, there should be a highly antibacterial effect and highly stain resistance and a high washability emulsion we are using there. There should be some specific undercoat has to be maintained to get the result and get the addition of the product to the wall. So based on this parameter, we have to choose the proper primer, and we can start the application then onwards. We have to clean the surface of the wall. We have to remove any dust particles or contaminations accumulated in the wall, and we can apply one coat of primer to the wall. After application, we have to give proper time interval to dry the material, and then we can apply second coat, that means the first coat of emulsion. While application of all these products, we have to ensure one important thing, the mixing ratio. Maybe for each and every product, maybe for each and every category of emulsions and primers, different manufacturers can offer different mixing ratio, that is the dilution of water. So we have to ensure the mixing ratio properly so we can attain a beautiful finish to our walls. Otherwise, there may be possibility of pinholes, sagging, and some other deformities which can seen in the wall. So after application of second coat, we have to ensure there is no deformities in the wall, and the wall is very beautifully finished as per our requirement, and the finish also attained. Like for example, if we are choosing some texture patterns and other designs, we have to ensure that design is perfectly attained. All these inspections also taken care by Nexa. And there is one more concern we have to discuss, that there is a practice of using exterior primers and emulsion to the interior wall. There is no harm in that, using that product, but when you check the screen, you can find out the coverages of exterior emulsion will be very much lower than the interior emulsion. So you can see the difference. For a smaller area, you can feel the difference, how much cost you are incurring more. So considering all these aspects, we have to choose the best product for your wall, and be proud on the colors and aesthetic beauty of your wall. Thank you for watching. Keep tuning. Thank you.